on!
Charlie, which one's that one?
This is hard.
Like being a...
Whoa! See if we can sneak round, but don't get all four. Don't get all four wheels on that.
What's that? Say.
So, you're coming here anyway, you're in the wrong lane. Oh shit.
Updated your mother and everything, yeah?
Ashley Allen's one, buffalo burger, chilies, blue cheese, tomatoes, bacon. Sounds
Nothing wrong with that.
It sounds really, really good.
You're always making, and it's like...
They say do not be afraid. Have you actually ever read the description of an angel in the Bible?
Why do you think I moved out?
Huh?
Number and the dad. Oh, there we go, we're free. Yeah, I'm driving past, I'll show you, but I'm driving, but all you can see literally is a wheel and a headlight that's on.
Is that upside down?
What is that?
Is that a caravan? Lorry?
Trailer. It's like a trailer's come off.
Oh my god, it's squashed a car. Oh my god.
Jobs, life admin. Good, innit? I looked at, like I said, if you want to get across road, mate, use the crossing.
It's literally
There.
like
Just
it's
standing
literally
around like a moron. Just Divs. I mean, it's a perfectly good crossing you could have used. Press the button, stop traffic, but just wander out. Honestly, brain power, flee.
I just don't want it to break those plastic holders that were for.
Possibly not.
He's going to jump the red light.
There he is, there he is.
He's jumped the red light.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? We've got the Ford bike, the Mercedes bike, and the Seat bike. I wonder if they stock them in Halfords. Interesting bike, that, the Vauxhall bike. Nice lights, dickhead. Another one. No bloody lights.
The children.
Children of the night.
And here's the latest, even electric. Would you believe? A Taycan and a Panamera. And then of course, going back a few decades, the Spider from the 1950s. So who could not fall in love with the Jaguar XK150? Now we have a Triumph Herald and a Triumph Vitesse, and you can easily tell t'other from which because of the number of headlights.
Oh.
Dearie me. That is a pampered pooch.